Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing the unboxing of the Jellycomb foldable keyboard with touchpad. Ideal made for your tablet device, make your life more colorful. I got this on Amazon for $29.99, 30 bucks on Amazon. Okay, this scissors key wireless touchpad triple fold. Okay, let's see the back side. This works on tablet, PC, laptop, Android, iOS, Windows. Pretty sure it works on Apple iOS. Support multifunctions, F1 to F12, simulate mouse function, foldable keyboard, multifunctional touchpad, and LED indicators. Ultra thin portable design. That's how it's gonna look like. Alright, let's get this open. Alright. Paperwork. Yeah, charging cable. It's a nice case, but I'm still gonna throw it away in the trash. Alright, that's the charging cable. Put that right there. Paperwork, don't really care. Okay, let's get this out. Alright, let's see how. Okay, you open it. Alright. Alright, here's the touchpad. Alright, that's where you connect the power. Turn it on, off, switch on and off. What is this for? Oh, that's the Bluetooth. So you hold it or whatever and it turns on. I'm pretty sure you can figure it out. Instructions will tell you how to do it. I'm pretty sure I could figure it out without this. The back side. Alright. So let's see. It's almost like those keyboards you get with your tablet, around the same size, but this one does come with the touchpad, so it would actually be like that if it was just a keyboard. There's some scissors, some scale, a Powerade bottle for some scale. Jellycomb. This is only an unboxing video. Later on I'll be doing a review on it. Thanks for watching this video.